You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. I got this special box from Bandai. I do want to say thanks to them for sending to me to check out on video today. Now, normally I don't just show you a box, but everything was nicely wrapped in there, and I didn't want to kind of, well, I checked out the first two, and I said, well, they're all nicely wrapped. Let me just do it on video so you can see what I see for the first time. All right, so I've got these special puzzles. Let's see. Let's take a look. Ooh, okay. There is the Mobile Suit Gundam RX-78-2, and these are Rubik's. Okay, so twist, and then you can reshape them. I will take a closer look in just a minute. Let's get them all out of the package. Now I can bring this down so you can see them all one at a time. All right. And if I pronounce something wrong, I do apologize. Super Cyan Blue. Okay. How's that looking? Pretty cool. All right. So now those two are done. There are 4 more character puzzles here. All right. Let's see. Let's see. How exciting, exciting, exciting. Gudetama. This is a Sanrio Hello Kitty character, and I have done food stuff with this character. But look, twist and complete. They show like a Rubik's mixed up on the side there, and then one complete. All right, that's cool. All right, let's just keep going here. Let's see. Do I sound a little jovial today? Well, anytime I get new puzzles, I'm excited. All right. Naruto Uzumaki. Now, I don't know. This character, I do not know. So I will put that there. All right, the next one. This says Frieza Final Form. I don't know. I got a guess on some of these. Okay, the last one. The last one. Here we go. All right, MS OGF-Zaku 2. Those look pretty cool. All right, so there are all the different puzzles. What am I going to do? Well, I have to get at least a few out of the package. So which ones do you want? I think I want to do this one for sure. I will show them all one more time. I'll turn the packages, come back. But this one I'm going to definitely do, so I will save this till the end. And then I think I like this one. So I'll do 2 puzzles for you now. So let's just take a look at the first one. All right, so I'm just going to turn the packages around so you can get a good look at them. It's twist, 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 twist. Character cube, Caration cube, it's what it says. Complete, twist. Let's see. Oh, so there's more here. All right. This product was made with precision. Gently rotate the vertical and horizontal lines together. Forcing rotation may cause damage. If the rotation is still hard, carefully realign and try again. Okay. And then there is some pictures on them. It says Rubik's on the background, and there's more artwork inside the actual package. All right, there's the first one. Let's check out this one. Help me with these pronunciations. All right, so overall, same packaging inside. The characters look really nicely designed. Twist, 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 twist on that side. Twist, twist, twist. Here's the back. So it looks like generally the artwork is the same. Let's check out the bottom. I think I originally called them a character cube because I think that's what they are. But I have not... Charation. I don't know. I have to go grab the original email and look. All right, so there's that one. Now this one. I don't know this one at all either. This does say licensed by Sunrise. Okay. Mobile Suit Gundam. Did this one have anything here? No? Well, I guess. I can't read it. I can't read it. It's not something there. Now, I don't really have any Gundam characters in my collection, and I've never really done one, so this will be kind of neat. All right, so this one's green. And it looks like it's partially moved. Yes, that's what I'm seeing. You're seeing a partial movement in the actual package. All right. This is from Dragon Balls. Now or Dragon Ball, I don't know. Looks like there's another letter there. Hard to read. You know, I make mistakes, okay? This one's purple and white. Same information on the bottom. All right, there you go. You have seen these 4. Now let me come back. That's what I want to do. I want to come back, do a little more research on these so that now I know what's in the actual box. I didn't know. And I will come back and I will do the first Rubik's. Okay, let's get this one out of the packaging. And yes, it is, however you would pronounce it, I even think it's character and action in one, so Charaction. How else would you pronounce that? I'm not sure. There's really not much out there on these already in regards to videos. There's very few. I'm just seeing how I can get in here without damaging the packaging. So it looks like I could just cut this here, open this here, and then this should come out. We'll see. There you go. Now we can see the artwork on the back. So there's the artwork inside. Is there any instructions or anything in there? There is not. So that's just that little tray. And now you can see the Rubik's in the corner. The coloring is different on all of them. Well, some are similar, but you know what I mean. There's different colors. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Okay, so there's tape on the bottom. And there's my first one. And as you could see, it's already in a position that was set that way. Let me just stand them up. Okay, so it's like it feels like a softer plastic. Okay, there is the first one. That is very cool. Let me just spin it around. It almost has a wobbly feel to it. When you stand it like that, that's a little better. Might have been off just a little. Okay. You hear that sound here? It has that Rubik's sound. Listen. So it's pretty neat sound. You got, now inside here it's like a harder, just seems to be a harder plastic on the inside. Now I see a screw right there, so let's just flip it this way and then flip it this way. Whoa, did you hear that squeak? Now will it turn this way? It won't turn this way, but it will turn this way. Now will the whole thing turn this way? No, because his head is that way. Let's see, can you really mix these up? Will it turn this way? Yes, it will. Okay, so now look how messed up that character is. And then will it turn this way? It will. There's some wording on the inside there. Mega House, made in China. And there's 2 numbers there. And then you can turn it this way. So everything kind of pivots on that center area. So now with his head that way, it will not turn anymore. That looks kind of funny, doesn't it? So how did I do that now? Well, that's his arms. Oh, here's the thing now. I got to figure out how to solve it. There's only going to be so many rotation points. It won't rotate on that. Got to bring this back. Well, rotate here. Yes, it will. Oh, harder than I thought. I'm just kind of just turning. I'm not really thinking too much here. Not yet. Just kind of getting a feel for it. Oh, I turned it too hard. Hear that little click? So it wasn't really in a good position. Now that's pretty funny. Look at that. You could probably just display it like that. And I keep forgetting that this piece of his head is always pretty much stationary. So everything's got to be done on this pivot area here. all his whole body turn. Yeah, it does. See? Now I've got that character. That's pretty neat. I'll tell you what, I'm going to come back to this one. I want to open up the other one. Ooh, it's close. Oh no, it's nowhere near close. Let's take a look at this one. I guess they're all going to do the same thing. I'm just going to get it out of the package so you can get a better look at it. Very cool. Alright, let me cut this one right here. You know what I should do? I should just take them all out of the packages so you can see them all. But let me look at this one. Now this one to me seems like it might be a little harder because it's one color. The coloring is a lot more neutral there. All right, so you could do this, you could do this, and you could do this. Okay. It definitely has this feel. Now this down here is it feels like a sticker down here. Yeah, that's a sticker on there. And that looks like that probably would wear out. It's the same on this one, yes. So you know how even original Rubik's eventually wear out. Okay, I think I'm going to take the rest out, but I'm not going to mix them all up because I have to get them all back in the packages. Okay, can't twist that way. Can twist this way. So you hear the little click. So it does happen if you don't align the pieces up just right. Okay, let me do this. Let me just get them all out so I can line them all up. One at a time. What are we here for but to just check things out? This one's got more tape on it than the other one. See? Just when I think it's all going to be easy and rosy video. Yeah, I don't ever think that. Come on. And then I have a hard time getting this out. See? There we go. There's this one. It is pretty colorful on the artwork on the back, isn't it? Alright, so let me set this one here. I gotta keep them organized by the packaging. So the character shape is different on some of them. This one looks like the same puzzle, just colored differently. This one has this on the back, so there is some difference on that one. Let's see about this one. That's the coloring on the back. Very cool. There is the next puzzle. Oh boy, I'm running out of room. It's a pretty big table, and I still run out of room. Okay, let's see what this one is like. Now this one matches the other one. Has that on the back. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, last but not least. Summer's winding down, everybody. Very sad. A new season is upon us. This one's got cool purple on the inside. Okay. There. Rubik's. There they all are. So let me see now. I can give you a nice closer look at the ones that are here. do that. Okay, how's that? I will turn them all around, one at a time. So you can see how they're styled. Now, their heads are painted on. And then the bottoms are the stickers. Okay, I'm going to try to solve one of these other ones now. Now that you've seen all of those, let's do this. Let's bring these in here. I'm going to try to solve the first one. How hard can it be? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's get this basic principle down. So at some point, this is going to have to end up like that, and that's going to end up like that. Oh boy. I got one arm right. Can it just turn? It should turn, yes. Okay, I got a second arm right. I got that in the right direction. You know, I honestly thought it was going to be much simpler than it appeared. Okay, so these got to go this way. It may look like I know what I'm doing, but I have no clue. Actually, it doesn't look like I know what I'm doing at all. It is kind of neat though, seeing the different positions you can put everything in. Oh boy, I'm really messing this up now. Look at that. Looks like he's in a fighting scene. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to end the video here. I will come back, and I will just kind of video me putting these together. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I'm going to continue on. I want to end it here. Thanks to Bandai for sending these to me. Hopefully you enjoy them. And then I am going to keep going. But thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And you supporting Lucky Penny Shop. And then I'm going to say later. But I'm not going to stop. But I may take the sound out. I don't know. Well, I find it very frustrating. I am definitely frustrated with this. I did a couple things. Maybe you saw. I tried to go one way, thinking that maybe it would eventually work its way back to solve, but totally frustrated. I get 1 point, and then I can't get any further, and then I get the 2 flat round pieces here. You saw all the different things. I kind of sped it up, so you might have seen it. I mean, I can get it like that, and I get it like that, and then I know these two are matched up, and then I get totally flustered. So, I just haven't, it was like 10 minutes maybe. Maybe I just need more time. I'm just trying to figure out, like, is there a pattern to the moves? You get that like that. You get like that, like that. I was able to get all the arms and legs together the right way, but then the center piece was the wrong way, so I'm thinking, all right, maybe 2 turns, 1 turn. So that's on the wrong side. So then I did this, did this, that's still on the wrong side. Oh, so frustrating. I gotta tell you, I'm totally frustrated. Keeps going on the wrong side, which means the whole thing is probably wrong. So then I was trying 2 turns in one direction, 1 turn in one direction, thinking, all right, there's gotta be something. I just reversed the whole thing. That one needs to be up now. There's gotta be a simple thing. A simple. You puzzlers. I really appreciate your ability to solve puzzles like this, because I've never been really good at solving puzzles. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to put it on my desk, and as I finish editing this video, I'll see if I can solve it. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun seeing me struggle through this. Oh, it's killing me. It's just killing me. I got to get it back in the package, so eventually I have to solve this. Well, I'll update the video one day when I finally get this reboxed up. That's why I didn't want to mess too many of them up, because it's like, oh boy, got to get them all back together. And thanks again for watching, everybody. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.